Keras model fails to predict if called in a thread. I try to perform predictions using Keras and the available model VGG16 in a threaded application. However, if I call the prediction in the main thread, everything works fine. But if I predict inside a threaded function, whether I use threading, multiprocessing, ... it just stalls during prediction. Here is the minimal example. Use_threading equals false gives me. Use_threading equals true, which fails, gives me.
So Keras with TensorFlow backend has unfortunately the issue of halting during prediction, if the model was given as an argument to the subprocess. However, if the model is created directly in the subprocess, everything works fine. Therefore, the solution is to send the frames to the subprocess via queues. Here is a working solution. Which gives me
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.